ngan grand menta sibit nginom in penkut daga jing grand jong I samla karmel ma nganam ajing grand hu sibit dengan sedang bat an penkut menta sibit pinam isu ngah tengap yang subhai pi baro syahgane ka third round elimination third round jong ka elimination jongi hagane ka surkun ut but ngadon ka kubor ka babha bat ong pi but next week nginom don shu te tangin nyungut ngin eliminate menta ka tayo ta mut ha ka singi final pindon shipongot pi asubang e menta dis shipongot ngin don ha ka final te ha ka final ngin don shipongot ki participants nyungut ngin eliminate menta ka singi te kumang ong borobor ya kitu kiba eliminate menta ka singi ru wat kuslai kane ka stage kadang dai ge jong pi kasur kan ut niam kan wan kasur kan ut season 3 kan wan how December te wadu jingkermen mo kumang ong boro-boro apa pi don jing kakaliang jong ka fi kene katai wat kuslai mo wat kuslai wan mania kendu engi ngi don hang ne boro-bor ban yarap ya pi tengap yang somhai pi baro sya kan ka rensan ka bamenta ka sngi ka third round elimination ngap yang somhai ya ki coaches junior ngut berkerpang ya special judge jungi I samla Carmel Doling ibade weni ki kaitor jong kan jala jungi tong ini ai ka jin tapti ka jam na ka bentai kini ki laingut mat kerpang na ka bentai samla Carmel tengap yang subha khamtam ya Iva ibalong I host jungi batru ya Sir me ai bor kini ki staff jungi na ka media kibadon hagane ka sini yang subhai pi baro sya ka program de kumangal ong mene jin pemna ka de kata mo jin pemna ka de kata si pongut nginjit na ka banta ka grand finale tamutang nyungut ngin eliminate menta ka singi but next week kanam don shu ka YouTube view ban keng last menta ka singi namar ba ngila penmi result Monday ngila penmi ka result yung kitu gi pongut ki ba sya jet de kan don shu ka YouTube views pat ku slide show ma nama don na blenjo pi klem tia baro shimet adu ar baje don betek singa ngala poi kat ta don betek singa ar baje ngala dep sengkor si round ha round ka ba ar don bet ka round ngemut tia ha round ka ba ar ndai don betek singa ngala poi kat ta tu inga por ar baje lai baje ngasot nat ba takamut kani ka peni ba kanu pi don kata ka fighting spirit te man poi khmat ma ban poi khmat kata peni ba pidon jisha kata ka jintrang banlong utaw nong ruai banlong benang ban kata ka pen sutnat yang mo pen sutnat ingi ki ba pen ya kene ka surkunut kawe ka important announcement ka ba kwa ban ong pila UI ketua comment support YouTube bun abdeng jopi pila ya comment lang te ka cyber crime kalalap ya ubriu bale yang tu kam ma udairu UX participants jungi nang nehi ngin kwa ban itu kerteng jungu la that yang ni tang mangingam kwa ban that ya upat ma te ngilong ki briu ki baduna ma ngim der ki biang dong sedong hakaliang jungi ngi duna yo lese ma te baru ki briu ki be duna tak daw ngi map ngimnyat syakmat namar utu batri po sabar crime way nga father bu beji ho po patok arsnap dia ta na pibu tengar kentar ul abiang ka ong tang ba kadu kadwai nga ong ta ma ngim don kata ka jing ong no ka grudges ke ong no ten kasi grudges ha ka jing shun ho ai ban ong ba med depth tu ngim don kum kata ti ngimap angai pi baro pi map nomor tu ka jing kan tha kam dai tang ya ka Don Bosco mo iki ba penyat Henry ye pi baro ke participants kolong kum jing penrem ye pi ti to mo ngin ya map UA ngin nom yach khmat tang mangila itu pat yau breu ngila tu pat nglai tu pat yau nong le menta ka syong pat sahau nong le mo un kala ka bamut ne am what is important is that mo ha ban kala ka bamut adam kala ka bamut te hawat ngi map ilo se ngat sa ka way pat ka khap jong ki way pat ki group ki pat ki breu ti la se maki kim la ban map de hang ta la kut ka jingim de to kata ru nganam ai lecture rem tang sngi shoot tip tang kata ngila love you breu but ngin don kata ka jinshun kan kut tang hang to hi Henry pi baro pila long ka kubor mo ba ki tu jing kan tho jungu kim Kim Don Jing ya dai hi be kene ka jing penya jung ka dai tang ka jing ta la so tu hi ti haka sngi ka bakadu ha grand finale nam ta ki tu si pho ngot namar ngam don chu ban don la chu ban ya kendu ya pi direct ha ka lai phoi tarik pinwan shine ha man lak sngi pe ha bon ya kendu i kini ki coaches jong pi ban jit ki jing ruai mo nan ta pi hab shim ki interview ban kini ki media ban le ka tu ka presentation ka ba shi minute nak ban ta jong pi shwa pin ruai ko mang ju le borobor te kini ki media chungi kin khot kerpang pi te sobha ya cooperate ber ki ban ngin dep kloi gitu ki video shots ro te namar bangan no mi kendu shi pi to sngi sobha penyo ka tracks jong jing ruai jong pi ka babha rapidon chinge pan penyo ka tracks ka babha sumbawan ban ya kendu mo ada don kam ban thit ngin yara ban thit mo mdei bang eri uspa henry ngakwa ba pin ai the best na ka banta jong pi hi mo so ngin yara ban thit yo le sei ki track so da don kam ban thit mo dingin persang ban le ha ta kar kwam tang ba ngini ban yo ka best output quality de ngila ban bu tu smoke ro kitu ki ban kam yo smoke mo do smoke in bu shedin kitu ban kam yo ku smoke ro ngin ai smoke ro bat kiwi ki jinjon kam dengan bu kalis ha ka whatsapp group dan ta pen sahab ban tik tu ki spongut ki ban ya kun ha ka final te ka final kan long hang ne hi ha ka por san beji pila panyawan baro am lele dah ma tong mangin mla pan ai pi ka ja yo le se ndrei ngin di sha kum bajulong man law snap ngin di sha ngin ya ot cake tharai namar de sngi borom jong don bosko ngila ban yo cake ro tu sngi haduk menta namar shibet ka kut ka Meghalaya game seduk menta Konrad umpat ai try tu don bek Konrad te umpat ai ka kintin ka bakat du ban wan ne ban wan ngin sayo jing tip yo le say la Monday la ne Tuesday te kumo ngai pil daw Konrad wan ru try don tingim don kam ban kuslai mo kinwan kiwe ru le say ki padar ki pastor ki yu ki bahi ngasem jung pia da pi kwa ban khot kat ngatharai la kumno shispa san pho aspa ngot kan rung be hang ne po hol te ka don ka screen ru shabar la ki kwa ban shim benta ki la ban shim benta onge ki padar uspun palat pan di tiket ong kumadi kiwe mo kiwe ki di tiket padar di tiket ra don jaka ban print tiket ong kumda te pila ban khot ki bahi ngasem jung piru mo namar kamtam na ka bantai tu i bejob mo kan long sisa ka sngi ka kraw mo mdei tang wa piyo tu silak tang ka Henry mo ka borom jong pi namar kum mo ngai pi na ini ren san badet in persang ban push pi sya ke international level tak daung ngi kwa ban kut kloiru namar ba how benai February benai March ngina dei ban le ya tu ka registration na ka benta are likely competition ke ba shabar jong ka India shabar jong ka jela mo ka wing hab le UK ka wing hab le US benai February benai March ngi haban le gitu te kumbangal ong last time ro ngau bah utu uba job ne ka tu ka job ya ka ne ka grand finale ngau bah le wood ya ka passport jong pi namar claim da don ka passport ngimla ban le AA ya ka visa mo pat claim ka visa pimla ban travel te kata ka de ka ba ngakar pat jur na kaliang jungi ki ba penya jaru kumban ong biang kumustem baladep mo kumban ong stem baladep ngi stom jur ban yo ya ka passport jong i Shevinya kawe ke long ba idang kena palat mo ban apply visa ru stom ban apply passport ru stom tak simpor bahai ki ban yo ya ka passport kan ban yo passport me competition ki lakut shabar ti tak tahu sawai sakawe ru ba claim ya kain sting palat ngile be last minute ban yo ka passport te tak tahu itu iba job ya kena grand finale semua bah penyo lupa ya ka passport jong pi yo ha kano ka clip mat mo ka ba pisha khot pedi ban long ready ban late present ya kane ka surkun ut jungi ban late present ya ka jella ban late present ya ka India hi baro howe te tang ta tharai daw kan pun slam shu tak jingkran juga la push kinta shiteng iman te kan pun slam shu sa shisin ngap yang sumai pi baro all the best na ka benta gitu ki ban sajit sipongot bat gitu ki bam sajit gitu ki nyongon ru wadu jingkermen mo we take one step at a time mendai batang sisin kam pila pois don sebeneng de ngatrai kejat jungpi kenjrong kan kilometer trai kejat ini kejat jungi balengkot jungali balengkot bali jungpi trai di one step at a time tidak pi sha eliminate hagane around ru what do jingkermen at least pila yo itai jing hikai pila yo ta ka stage confidence but kum ta ter so next year pindang improve issue pindang improve issue but kat ba pindang sim benta kata ka confidence jung pi kan wan kata ka articulation jung pi kan wan pin ruai pin siao hak ta kom ko bagi coach kila hikai pi ta sa isin ku blaishi hajar ngu yagi pi ki balawan sibit ru ngindam ton break re namar ngindon kan nyongot ngin pendep buat la dep pila ban yadi coffee don ni ere tang biscuit but coffee ngila ban ai pi nyedi nang ta pila ban lek yang sai kan tu pat haka life poetic ni sedang san budgetic mau ngat ngabat por ba kalau meneru don muslim kendiat ngala ong mon ai chi bok tang ba keti lengkot kemkot dah tak tahu de san budgetic ni sedang haga life poetic ro but by 6:30 ka program ka deban kot tang shikan ta shitang 6:30 ka deban kot tang ta badeng di sha nyo beje pila deban lech siang ma tu buyuk silak tengkala ban sile dan cepok poin disut group ni le to te ku blai sia jarngu ye pi baro ki balayawan pasibit ong ku mangong nam kran shu tengah ai ku blai nandu mentai ku blai sia jarngu ya ka jingwan jung pi ya jin sim bentai jung pi jing ai men sim jung pi ban kham tam e ya ka jing irap jung pi ban tho ang tu po comments jung ka youtube krang ba ki bru baro ki ba pule kin so tu ba tu bru don jing duna mdei ka channel mdei mangi ki ba penyaj te ku blai shibun ya ka jing ai men sim jung pi but tungin dang ya krisyan yue namar kumbanga ong borobor ka jinya bisni ka jinya pihun ka jinya le ka ne ka tai kanom nya lam ni ngi sha ka jing pha mo ngi de bendon bor ka jinya krisyan yue ka jinya ai men sim yue bahkan mau permanang don hapok Philippines sa si kentab yang yamat sibeta permanang don hapok Philippines akan mau UAE nong ruai jong ka season 1 ka season 1 The Voice Philippines The Voice Kids Philippines hoslam arjar ka saung estang itu ka season akan mau idon UAE I nong ruai iba ngi sha permanang ngile ya kan ka outreach program pikan mau yaitu Typhoon Yolanda ke basupun bagi beri kila yap apa Philippines dengan apa university ru ngi shatle kini kikam dengan lek na kan mau ngi poi apa lete ke dikwe dul nong ke ba paji bahana bacengai bahana po apa Manila pihak syong nak flight kumba arkanta poi helete idoni we kena kemi la yap kepala yap hak ta Typhoon Yolanda he tang ba iam ne irwai ne ngam so tu syu ngaru kasur jingi pat ani siang bah di ngong ya ka sara ketu kanong ruai ka tres perlok kelas juga ngong pik se kena ka ruai ne ka yam ne ya ta ko mi sutu ada yam no ruai do ka kena big oh ya mar ngi ya long perlok bah ma yang ngam tip ken ta daw kali na mar ba ti ong em ka ruai ti ong kum nom ta ba kimi kepala khat ka ruai tip ken yo to make the story short ngilam ya ka sya Manila pensa ya ka po orphanage po Manila ya kata kena tapi tim em ngong ya ka ngide ban ai chance ka ban sim benta ha gane ka The Voice Kids pen sim benta ho ai kam job le job ka laika ro ka dia kena surok street children Henry kata ka kena ka poisha ka final round mo ka poisha ka final round de ka ai ka bang ko abon ngane ka long ba ka jing ai man sim jong ki para nong ruai kumde tang ki coaches so ki coaches ki long kimi ki pana kam tan jong ka Henry kumno ka poi shadu kata ka final jong ka ne ka first season kalong ba ka jing ai man sim ki para nong ruai namar ki tip ba ka kun sweat ki tip ba kam don ying don sem ki kwa ba kan job ba kan yo ya kata ka she's 4 million pesos nang ta ki don ki sponsors ki pen snai ka ying ru ki kwa kini ki para nong ruai jong ka em ki para competitors jong ka ki kwa bamaka kan yo ya ta ka silak ya kata ka she's 4 million pesos namar ba kam don kami nun ka pa shu ta ka daw ki ai men sim ya ka dengan sarai kata ka de ka baduna ba ha ne ka jela jungi ngindon kata ka cinya ai men sim iwe penban ngidon tang ka cinya tan telai iwe ta ka daw ke jela jungi kam kiu tinggal kerpat jua di pi penseluruh UAE mah penseluruh UAE kerjaan UAE lah don mono bakala ong kamtam deh mulai kamtam mah hata kan ko mem pi pin sa long ki role model na ka benta gitu ki bide ba pi arab dah lecture ka ba ar kala kut ta isin ku Malaysia jar ngu map yang sumhai pi baro second neka third elimination round jongka surkan ku Malaysia bon
kublai shibun father ya kitu kikentian ki jongpi kam tam ba pila ayang ya ke jingdwai na malkom baki juong mo habangi sedang ya kenu ke kam ngidi bankin mau shwa ya ublai haning beningkong do tapi katu ke jingkren piang sengo pha ke jongpi ru kala penlong homely si sayangi bat kam tam ya i judge jengi iba Carmel Darling ti nga ay kublay kerpang sa sisian pat ya baro iwe but mensya bangin sedang no ikini ka competition ngas ngode ba ban campaigns at shu namar kumbakalong mo mantangi dan hapadeng katalang ba bat ka kriat ha ti kumbakalong han sapen saat yang ide kini ki khat nyongut ki kaitor ki balapoy ha kani ka round ka bamenta ti ngas ngode bangin ay gajing tap ti ya baro khat nyongut ki participants ki ban share right shit ham ha kani ka Circuit Oat season 2 ti klaim de pen slam show menta kom ni ngan khot no ya I nong yeshim menta I beningkong du bat ita ide iblis dora kinriam bat hadian jong I Catherine nong clau in long ibala kria
bertängi im vandlan sering nhiều trong nông nghiến buồn đây rất nhiều kêu ấy nên là cả chồng cha thuê ban ngam nghi đấy cha clear ban kêu nghiến wala kaksam ngintur rajing ang nun pranapang matsir wating jing yapkan bun jwat aku mensim kum snam shen rangkan da usya utar utrun dien ra trong nông nghiến buồn lòng xóa u klem bên nuôn las ép u đã thế luật hab da waju kerbet ring dur cho ba pen buồn jing mong wala các sam bên ela ka do nun hak da waju kerbe ring dur sha ba pen bun jing mong wala các sam bên ela ka do nun pran na phang wat sir wat ting jing yap kam bun jwat aku mensim kum snam shen rangkan jwat aku mensim kum snam shen rangkan kublai shibun
wow iblis dora ka seru ka bat sabat katem ngala syupet yet bet nadian mo nama hadian ngidon ke TV ngidung yo I wala dangim dan satu syabashong bapiru ti manu bahikai jing rai pi bat manu bahikai bantem bat ka rai sabat katem truly commendable shisha
ban vai tay penhikai miskin ko ban tempat teng let daka music school hi
miskin kor sehikai lang yang ngarong mah ngaku ban rai kom berwai iblis dorahi ti kubdai shibun bat ngakirmen bat ngakit bok bapin boy sa syakawai bat karon ngin ai gajing top ketiga bajam na gabentai iblis dora Tiabat mentakum ni ngan khot ye I Catherine Nong Klau, but hadian jog I Catherine Nong Klau is Sweetie Ling Ba in long ibala kriya.
Shibun.
Kublay Shibun heb baret Catherine. Ngas ngau ngila mi sewe nalor ikong Catherine pingrop ikai tor ila mi sewe pat Catherine ibadang red palat tambah kasur pat de kababet badai. Pila syong kelas you Catherine?
Class 6.
Kelas 6 lala ban rai kato katungi minsya kelas 6 de nai mlom de krencu. Toh ngin ai kajing tak ti kabak kamjor na kabenta ini heb baret ilalong kanuksa kababahai ki weipat ki heb baret ki badan sam. Thank you so much. Di menta kum ni hingan khot no saya Sweetie Ling Ba.
Tell me what does it look like in heaven? Is it peaceful? Is it free like they say? Does the sun shine bright forever? Are your pain and your fears gone away? 'Cause here on earth everything's different. There's an emptiness. I hope you're dancing in the sky. I hope you're dancing in the angels' choir. And I hope the angels know what they have. I'll bet it's so nice up in heaven since you've arrived. Tell me, what does it look like in heaven? Are you happy? Are your fears gone away? Is there music? Is there art and adventure? Oh, tell me, are you happy? Are you more alive? 'Cause here on earth everything's different. There's an emptiness. 'Cause I hope you're dancing in the sky. And I hope you're singing in the angels' choir. And I hope the angels know what they have. I'll bet it's so nice up in heaven since you've arrived. Since you've arrived. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sweetie Lingba, for that beautiful song. And now I would like to call Ilari Karkongor, and after Ilari Karkongor, Jansi Nongbet Kaini, please be ready.
Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete.
Wow, that was really awesome. I think by looking at the judge's face, especially Pak Carmel, he was truly mesmerized with your voice. That was truly commendable day. In I kajing tap ti kabajam na kabentai Ellery Karkongor.
Thank you.
And wish you all the very best. Timenta kom ni ngan khot ye agency nong bet but hadin jung I loving star in long ibala krea.
Ban perkat singo caklia ki kubor seniu sudah man kasini yoi kam tombor aurea jing tombor ya ki baret kapop kasang
Kublai shi bun agency nong bet ya katu kasur jingrai ke bas ngau tenat da shisha bat menta kom ni hingan khot no say loving star kharjana bat hadien jong I iban sabet khong sni in long I balakre.
I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears facing this alone, for much to love. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it would be. In my tanker state of mind, I've been looking back to find when I went wrong. And too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between the lover and the love you leave behind. You headed for disaster, 'cause you never read the sign. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just a shadow of the man I used to be. And it seems like there is no way out this for me. I used to bring you sunshine. Now all I ever do is bring you down. Oh, how would it be if you were standing in my shoes? Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Everywhere I go, I'm about to lose. Oh, yeah, too much love will kill you, just as sure as not at all. It will drain the power that's in you, make you bleed and scream and crawl, and the pain will make you crazy. You're the victim of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time. Too much love will kill you. It will make your life alive. Yes, too much love will kill you, and you won't understand why. You give your life, you sell your soul, but here it comes again. Too much love will kill you in the end. In the end. Thank you.
Thank you so much Loving Star Kharjana. Hapdeng kejing kriat jong kani katelang da katu kasur jong pingila asngos a hi horwat bengi besong shedin ru. Ti sa sini ai ku blay pi, but mentakom ni hingan khot no se I contestant ibabut, but ita haide iban sabet kongsni, but hadin jong I aida mesha wan khat in longi balakre.
City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars, there's so much that I can't see. Who knows? I felt it from the first embrace I shared with you. That now our dreams may finally come true. City of stars, just one thing everybody wants. smokescreen of the crowded restaurants. It's love. Yes, all we're looking for is love from someone else. A rush, a glance, a touch, a dance, a look in somebody's eyes to light up the skies, to open the world and send it reeling. A voice that says I'll be here and you'll be alright. I don't care if I know just where I will go, 'cause all that I need's this crazy feeling, a rat-tat-tat on my heart. Think I wanted to stay. City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars, you never shine so brightly. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much Bansabet Kongsni for that beautiful song. And now I would like to call on stage Aida Mesha Wankar, but Hadin Jong I Gwenet Mautho in Long Balakria.
As I lay me down, heaven hear me now. I'm lost without a cause, after giving it my all. Winter storms have come and darkened my side. After all that I've been through, what earth can I turn to? I look to you. I look to you. After all my strength has gone, in you I can be strong. I look to you. I look to you. And when melodies are gone, in you I hear a song. I look to you. About to lose my breath, there's no more fighting left, sinking to rise no more, searching for that open door. And every road that I've taken led to my regret, and I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Nothing to do but lift my hands. I look to you. I look to you. And when all my strength has gone, in you I can be strong. I look to you. I look to you. And when melodies are gone, in you I hear a song. I look to you. Coming down on me, the rain is falling, defeat is calling. I need you to set me free, take me far away from the battle. I need you, shine on After all my strength has gone, in you I can be strong. I look to you. I look to you. Yeah. And when melodies are gone, in you I hear a song. I look to you. I look to you. I look to you. God bless you, Bun.
Thank you so much, Ida Mesha, for that lovely song. Mentakom ni hingan khot no say Gwyneth Mautho pat hadian jong I bawan hun shisha karseti in long I balakria.
This is a man's world. This is a man's world. It wouldn't be nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl. You see, man made the cross to take us over the road. Man made the train to carry the heavy load. Man made the electric light to take us out of the dark. Man made the boat for the water, like Noah made the ark. This is the man's world. It wouldn't be nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl. Man thinks about a little bit of baby girls and baby boys. Man makes them happy, 'cause man makes them toys. And after man make everything he can, man made money to buy from other men. This is the man's world. But it wouldn't be nothing, not one little thing without a woman or a girl. This is the man's world. There wouldn't be nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gwyneth Mautho, for that beautiful song. Mentakom ni hingan khot no ya I bawan hun shisha karseti, but hadian jong I compare maulong in long I balakria.
Troubles come and my heart
Wow, that was really awesome. Ni nga las ngau hun hi jerut kata ka sengap ye iwei na pedang ki kai tor iba. Iba dang red do tam, tambah iba tiang do tam deh. Ko mo angka ketien hakarit hakasakti di ini mah. Wat lek kai ngatrai, wat ki contestant ki baya kun percaya iru ki la kham mi nang khiat hinga tharai. Da pimpin iru tabang itep pat. Mana ba pendam style pi ni kat ni? Mami je ini tem long ya keren bit pelat ben rai ru. Nang ta pilahi kai kat nusi tu ke jing rai.
Sao si.
Manu behi kai.
San si madok.
Manu behi kai. Manu behi kai.
Imis lapad yang bat imay.
Miss lapid yang ngaru kwa rai kom ini sehi kai lang mo yang ah. Tingin ay ka jing tap ketika bajam ni long siya. Ngas ngau bede ban ay kublay ya ifa the Michael ibalawan ra ya kani karinsan ka surkin ut namar damdeling bajang ingam trengin yo ya ini I habarit iba. Don si siya rendang uba mat uba tiang. Tiesa si sin ngin ay ka jing tap ketina ka bajam. Thank you mo. But all the very best. Nga kermen ngin yo iya pila lai puway terik ha.
Thank you.
Di mentakom ni hingan khot no siya I compare maulong pat hadin jong I Rubeno in long ibala kre.
I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care if they call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build, every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost our mind. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you bring me along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see, I close my eyes to see. 'Cause every night A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Compare Maulong, for that lovely song. But minta kum nihi ngan khot no i rubenu nong dhar, but hadien jong i contestant babut in long i kit kupar nong sit.
Share my life, take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. Take my love, I'll never ask for too much, just for that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I know what I have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold it back again. This passion inside, I can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you're there. Or must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you. You see through right to the heart of me. You break down my walls with the strength of your love. I never knew love like I've known it with you. Will our memory survive on I can hold on to? I don't really need to look very much further. I know what I have to go where you don't follow. I will hold back again. This passion inside can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Your love I remember forever. Oh, don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you're there. Or must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me.
Rubenu nong dahari ke tu ke surging rai ke da shisha ke jong pi bat ngikit bok ba phinyai pai shakawai pat karong te menta kom ni hingan khot no sia I kit ko par nong sia bat hadian jong I ikit bok rap tap in long I bala krea.
I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. Every single lie that tells me I will never measure up. Am I more than just the sum of every high, every low? Remind me once again just who I am, because I need to know. Ooh, oh, you say I'm low when I can't feel a thing, and you say I am strong when I think I am weak, and you say I am held when I am falling short, and when I don't belong. Oh, you say I am yours, and I believe. Oh, I believe what you say of me. I believe. The only thing that matters now is everything you think of me. In you I find my word, in you I find my identity. Ooh, oh, you say I am low when I can't feel a thing, and you say I am strong when I think I am weak, and you say I am held when I am falling short, and when I don't belong. Oh, you say I am yours, and I believe. And what you say of me, I believe. Taking all I have and now I'm laying it at your feet. You have every failure, God. You have every victory. Ooh, oh, you say I am low when I can't feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I am weak. You say I am held when I am falling short, and when I don't belong. Oh, you say I am yours, and I believe. And what you say of me, I believe. Oh, I believe. And what you say of me, I believe. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much kit ko par nong siet ke jing roi ke jong pi ke ba pen men siem hi her da shisha te ngas ngode bengin ai ke jing thap khati sa shi sin ye kit ko par nong siet บัดมันตากุมนี้ฮิงะคอดเยอีกิดบอกรับทับบัดหาเดียนจงอีเอเมยากาสเวตอินลองอิบาลาเครีย
Love of my life, you've hurt me. You've broken my heart, and now you leave me. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, bring it back. Don't take it away from me, because you don't know what it means to me. Love of my life, don't leave me. You've broken my heart, and now desert me. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, bring it back. Don't take it away from me, because you don't know what it means to me. We remember when this is blown over and everything is all by the way. You will be remembered when I be stronger than you. Bring it back, hurry back, please do it for me, because you do. I live for you. Love of my life, love of my life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much kit bok rap thap. Hakasur ken ut jengi ngi dani ki babon ba ki samla ken thei. Hendrai hapdeng jengi ta ngi duna ki samla shenrang. Taba kini ki bangi don pat ki ki betebet shisha. Tisa sisir ngai ku bleye ikit bok rap thap. Bat mentakum ni ngan khot ye eme ya ka swet bat hadin jong i isabika kur kalang in longi bala kriya.
Hapeng kami badung kabak kenja yadur bab habir kajampi kinata
Kublai shibun heb baret ni te na lor ba ilariam style urendang ro ba I pitep ka ba penyap bit English ti shadian habang ipet. Beautiful girl with a beautiful voice on top of that. What a lovely expression ka ba idan. Ngas ngau day bangin ay ka jing tap ketiga ba kamjam na ka bentajo ini heb baret kublai shibun mo kit bok kit riang ma pinpoy. Sa siya ka way pat ka round. All the best. Ti menta kum ni hingan khot no ya isabi ka bat hadian jong I Arlene yau phanyau in long ibala krea.
There's nothing more to say. Every word's already been written, every chord already played. You make everything make sense. Every melody, it's different. Every line and sentiment sounds brand new after you. Purple rain is only rain without you. Yesterday is just another day. Hallelujah's an old song by an old man in a suite, and I guess love is just a word without you. Trust is something you can think. It's so delicate and fragile. It's something you can make. They call it luck. It's something you can break. It's a falling star you're catching, and you hope to God it stays. You got me, and I got you. Purple rain is only rain without you. Yesterday is just another day. Hallelujah's an old song by an old man in a suite, and I guess love is just a word without you. I'm half the man I'm supposed to be. One more thing to say. I fall in love with you every day when I'm with you. There's nowhere else I'd rather be. You're everything to me, the better part of me. Purple rain is only rain without you. Yesterday is just another day. Hallelujah's an old song by an old man in a suite, and I guess love is just a word without you. And I guess love is just a word without you. There's nothing more to say. Every word's already been written, every chord already played. Thank you.
Thank you so much Sabika Korkalang for that beautiful song. Ti menta kumnihi ngan khot no yai nong ishim benta iba khaddo menta kasngi but ita ide I Arlene yau penyau.
Shine ishim lek kum no idei tai bai sha baro ti bam sakhi ma pi riam do hadu na bai nong ka bam sam yang lap chi sien wa ya ki mas den pan her patam ti ga phak wa dok pasuk ko den ya ki lam le Kajeng nyarap kan wana neng nagi drop men barem dai hak tang jet ya kajeng sok kalin tiga jeng hayang harot haklau hasnong ko hok dai ban ban kapi tersa dai ban pendo ya lok ku berkat kajeng bisni ka ben men saw ya la di ban yang iwei sok ibadan kajeng jam not kieu sedang sate kelut kabang malak kelak kabang mutlak ban im jing sisalak ban laj nakap lathok ban jit ban matlak ban sat kam sim lak kelut kabang malak kelak kabang mutlak Kiong barok kisem lek kum no idei tai bai sha barok ti bam sakhi ma phi riam do hadu sut nga bai nong ka bam sap nang lap chi sien wa ya ki mas den pan her man tam ti ka phak baduk pasuk ko den ya ki lam he kelut ka pamalak kelak ka pamudlak pan em jing sisalak pan laj nakap lathok pan jit pan matlak pan sat kamen sim lak kelut ka pamalak kelak ka pamudlak Kublai
Kublai Shibun heb badet Arlin yau penyau. Habang ngap ya ingas ngau tek kumbas ngap itu ikong pensuk na po sama sal. Dai ni am. Idan yu rendang uba bet bat uba shisha. Tingin ay gajing kublai ke ba kam jam na kebentai Arlin yau penyau. Bat ngikit bok EP Arlin bapin poise siya kaway pat ka round mo. All the very best.
Thank you.
Di mentakum ni hi kram dapen slam show ngakot no ya i nong bishar jungi ita isamla Carmel Doling ba in ay gajing kren lingkot ka jungi. In ay gajing tap pati ka ba jam na kabentai nong bishar jungi.
Toh sa sisian pat ka kanamo ji mata karuna toh pat long dai ban ong ka sengiro na ong ka step ka wasuk ka kamen yi baro namadang duna khat ar di toh tengal syong hang ni habang bishar lang mo kumuin na pedeng kinong bishar hakan ka sengi ka bamenta sisya kala apen syayong ya ka jingmut jing perkat jonga namar kia bet palat pin de ningkong syam shwa ngas ngau ban ai kublai ya i Father Michael Makri i belakot ngau bahai nga mentaka sengi menong we na mentengki nong bishar berpang hai keneka step kama mentah te rengkat ru dan rengkat bat kini ki nong bishar argon ki bai don lang mat nga i kong ken kor bat i kong lapedang mo ti ki nong bishar ki ba serkhei ki be don hang ni ki blaya mentor ye piru na ka benta ban shim benta ye kenika program ki jing ruai ke banjiet bat ban de ke badon kam sisa hoot ngalasu meneh pat barang ya ruai kum tu ngalasu pai sai kong lapedang ngala pai si kong ken kor ngasu kernga tengah kali ngapet i kena bagi ruai kerendang ngabes yang kasur ngabes ngau tenat karta jongi kum gitu mensuangi dang o nala bon gidang o nala bon gidang nyat mut dak reang sini nang ni sate baik ke mut kabet seduk skor te gitu mentapan te kila serkei si sapi karwai te ngam doni hi ban ong ngam doni hi ban ong ya kai ke ba hakanika janmiet hakanika step ka menta ten rei tang kajing kit bok kit ruang ye pi baro ki participants ki balai shim benta ba pinang ye trish tom hoat kini ki ban sapoi syakawai pat ka round te ka jingkit bok kit ruang ye piru ba pin poi sadu ka thong ba lesimo dan na pedang hakan ni kesngi na marngin sa kadai ka elimination round katukan ni ngut ki ban sa duno bandrong syakani ka wei pat ka round si ka final lang makalamang pada ka final ti wanum sngo bu kho wanum sngo no mensiam namar ba hakajing ile don baik kajing job don baik kajing remo ten renang yai ia persyang nang ni sekhamat nang yai trish tom namar ba piadon si saya kasap bat ia ka kasap ka bakerpang urendang ubas yang urendang ubas ngau tenat sisa ngalak takhli meneh ka ban judge ngau ngam tip shu ki points ki bakumnuan ai namar ba te banong bangan judge marwe te father try ban ibu yang ni ka porte try ba job lut lak lumar fadar barokhan jongot piapan biang price lut ten rei ngedon lang rengkat ka ni ka por rengkat bat kini ki judges te hat kendiat kensait mah kini don kijing duna kijing tam hang ni hang time mo la kalong ha ka timing la kalong ha ki rukom pirwai ha ka pi shimi ki komno ba pile shaki ki shaki high notes komno pi her shaki low notes kendiat kensai kitu ki bangi haban penjana mo ki basic ki berit tang bangi haban le bahamo te ha ka jing ya kun pitep pilasu thu hi lada pidon i jing duna kendiat hang tu kamun kandan hi kajing kata dai te kamut kanu ka bangi le ngi haban ai ko phatam tem le wanum du jing kerman du wanum kuslai ka jing syem banta jong pi kala dei lupa ka jing job ka jing job ka bakrau te ka puar si sanga sngo ban ong mo ko mangi bar khoi kat ke bayar don kat bat kini kinong bishar tungin ai ka jing thap kti ka jam na ka banta kini ki participants bar khoi ki bele syem banta ka jing sngo tenat si sa jong ya ka jing ye syem banta ka jong pi ten rei wanum du jing kerman ko mongong wanum kuslai kapur kadang bun ifada ila pensyai mennya mo ngaso komen si sai ifada ba iple kalat ka ba haki mangi ngimdiyo menswa mentati ifada iple lat ba kamkut tang hang niu pin rai pin yo li rai sidu stas UK US ki bangi ngi spek tang ki video ngi sui tang ki dur te pin sayo e ka benai rai ti yai tre sitom de bu e ka jing kan ma ban bu e ka jing sarong sadian mo bu e ka jing sarong sadian namar ko mo kum ngi si ong khasi tang anang la sarong wali long ho kum ta tang anang la sarong te poi ru sat liu tang kat no la ajan ten rei long sngoret bat ya chakmat ha ki jing persyang ki jong pi nang yai trish tom nang ya chakmat ko bisibun ru ikini ki judges ki long ki mentor na komenta kini ki nong ruai mo long sisa ka ige ka ba ngam don kentien su banong ten rei tang kita ki kentien hi sa si sien pat ko bisibun ni pi bro
ti ngilapoi artat syaka bakut jong ka Sorkin Ut season 2 menta kasi di ngashim ngashim kini kalat ban ai ko blay sa sisian pat ya baru iwe piwe nadu ye Father Michael Makri ibla long way na upaya barat ba ban pin urlong ya kani ka program ka surkin ut season 2 nga ai kuble ye iba Carmel Darling ibla long iway na kinong bishar man takasngi hakani ka jinga kun but kam tam gini ki arngot ki coaches jingi kata ilapidyang bat iken kwar ki bamsham la ken ya kasngi ki jongki henry ki layai duryap ban hikai ye kini ki kena jingi hakabang ilala ban yu ya ka results haba kini ki kena ki wan ban perform hakani kasngi nga ai kuble ru na do ye ki sound ki light ki cameraman but kam tam ye ki me ki pa jongki ni ki hep baret ki bala wan baneshim mental lada day de jing kershan jongpi ngangit scam baki kon jongpi ki numpoi show ni uput ha ka baki la ban pen ipat ba la ni ban sei madan ya kasap ka baki don tiang ai kublei ru ya baru iwe pe iwe ki contestants na mar klem mapi kan mau baka surkin ut season 2 kan num orlong tiang as ngode ba pin ai ka jing tap tiga ba jam na ka benta ki ni ki khat nyongot ki bala poi ha ka ni ka round but ye kitu ki ban nama since kadai ke elimination round ye kitu ki bam sham na shajiet kom bala ong de ifada mene kom bala ong de ba Carmel ba kam de ka sien jam ka ba khadu mo ken mau ba kinong job ki de kita ki bam sham laran dien lene ka tien nong way ko ong winners are those who never quit ngikit bok ep ba wat lada pinum shajiet shakaway pat ka round le singin si ibiang ep sa ki way pat ki sen kiren san ha ka ba pin sala banang kampen tebet shu yela dia but kirmen ru ba ki jing pos new but ki jing angnut jong pi ba pin long ki kinong rai kin salong shisha da ki jing beten lenti jong blay but da ki jing tre shitam ga jong pi ting ai ku blay baro iwe pe iwe but menta ka surkin ut season 2 kalakut but ngin se kan du pat but pi la live huai te ding ai ku blay ru ya baro sa shi sien pat ku blay shibun